Welcome back to Bangin Tasty, everyone. Today we have a great dish you can serve with anything. We're going to show you how to make glazed carrots.
If you want to learn more about this glazed carrots recipe and read it step by step, be sure to click the link in the description box below.
Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Bangin Tasty videos like this one. So to start off, you'll want to get a cutting board, a large pan, a knife, and then a tablespoon and a teaspoon. For the ingredients, you'll need to have out a shallot, a few sprigs of thyme, 2 pounds of carrots, salt and pepper, and then 2 teaspoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of butter. Lastly, you'll need a half cup of water to mix in with the carrots. So before you begin cooking, you're going to prepare your food by washing all the produce. After they're dry, begin to destem the carrots by cutting the end off. Then halve the carrots lengthwise. Next, halve, peel, and thinly slice the shallot. Then pick the thyme from the sprigs and mince enough to fill 2 teaspoons. To begin cooking, you want to set your burner to medium-high heat and place 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pan. Add the halved carrots and then the 2 teaspoons of sugar. As usual, use salt and pepper to season it. Cook the carrots by tossing occasionally for about 8 minutes. They'll start to brown and shrink as they cook. After the carrots begin to brown, add the sliced shallot and thyme to the pan and combine them by tossing. Cook for another 2 to 4 minutes or until the shallot begins to soften. Pour in a half cup of water and a tablespoon of butter. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cover with a lid. Let the carrots simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes or until they're tender. Finish by seasoning with salt and pepper. Place the cooked carrots onto your platter of choosing and serve. These carrots are very simple and yummy. They can be served with all sorts of different meals. If you aren't serving right away, you can remove the pan from the heat and cover. To reheat, just place the pan on low heat until it's warmed. Thank you all for watching. Tell us in the comments what you'd like to serve these delicious carrots with. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.